All right. Richard, which one am I going to use for the first one? I'm going to start this in purple. X plus y equals 2. So which one of these am I going to use? Am I going to use the cover up?
The bottom.
Right? The bottom. Good. The cover up. Okay? Now this is, if you don't remember, chapter 4, you got to learn it because you got to know it for this. Okay? So, cover up method. All it means is I cover this up like I have this hand. Right? And I cover it up. And when I cover it up, that means I put a 0 in for x. And when I put that 0 in for x, what is y? What's y equal? 2.
1.
Okay? Alright? Now, what if I cover up y? That's a weird hand. Okay? Now, what if I cover up y? What's x?
1. 2. Or it's 0.
Oh, wait, yeah, 2.
2.
What's under this point? Like, I don't know.
So if y is 0, right? X becomes 2. It's just equal to 2. Done. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Right? Okay. Is that recording?
Okay.
Perfect. Alright, so then I graph it. Okay? I graph it. So let's take a look here. So I got, let's just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, that's a little big. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0, 2 means 0 in the x direction and 2 in the y direction. So right here, right? And 2 in the x direction, but 0 in the y direction, right? And then I'm going to use, let's use purple since this was purple, right? So we're going to use purple as a line. So this is purple. Pretty good line?
Yep.
Alright. Next. I might use orange. Orange work? Good. Okay. Next. What am I going to use for the second equation? Okay? So I used purple for this one, right? So let's use orange for this one. But what, when I draw the line, it's going to be orange. But which equation am I going to use? Am I going to use cover up again?
No.
What am I going to use?
Y equals mx plus
Y equals mx plus b. Why?
Because it's already in the form.
Yeah, it's already in that form. Okay? So it's already in the y equals x minus 4, which is y equals mx plus b. Right? What is b in this case?
4.
Not 4.
Negative 4.
Negative 4. We take that negative with it, right? Okay?
Same.
So b is equal to negative 4. Okay? And then what is m?
1.
There's a 1 right here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So m is actually
1.
1. So I have m is equal to 1, which we like to say is equal to 1 over 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because this is slope. It's about rise over run. Good. Rise over run. So where is my starting point?
0.
Where do I start?
Well, the 1. 0. Negative 4.
Negative 4. This is my starting point. Okay? I'm starting at that point. So we said it's going to be orange, right? I'm starting at negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 4 is my starting point. Okay? from that point, I'm going to go
Oh my God.
up or down?
Up.
Up. How much?
1.
1. And then I'm going to go right or left?
Right.
Right. How much?
1.
1. Okay. And so from that point, I got 2 points. I can draw a line. Okay. And what it looks like, to me, is 3 and 1. That's what it looks like. But how do I know? How do I know it's 3 and 1? What's 3 plus 1?
4.
4. Is it 2? Darn it, something went wrong. What went wrong? It looks so right. It's -1. I do that all the time. How many do that, right? They forget the negative. This is -1, right? There's a -1. So this is -1. And now when I plug that in, what is 3 plus -1?
2.
2. All right?
2.
If I plugged it into here, what's 3 minus 4? -1, right? Which is what we're supposed to get. Okay? That is a point of intersection. We're solving it using graphing. Okay? All right, we're almost done.